Hello loves! Welcome to my channel! This is your Tita Laguachera, Love Miss Rowan. If it's your first time to be on my channel, please watch all my previous video and subscribe. Thank you! Hello loves! This is now part 4 of our US travel diary. So this is our afternoon activity, which is hiking at Reinstein Woods and Bonfire at Sean Big's home. Hello loves, this is your Tita Laguachera, Love Miss Rowan, and we are here at Reinstein Woods. So madali lang siya, parang walk in the park lang. Anyway, this is a park. Yeah, so enjoy fresh air. Let's go Buffalo, Charo. Let's go Buffalo. Hiking at Reinstein Woods. Reinstein Woods Nature Preserve is a unique 292-acre complex of forests, ponds, wetlands, and designated watchable wildlife site. Trails are open to the public daily, year-round, from dawn to dusk. When visiting any places like this, make sure to stay on designated trails to protect the environment, and of course, dispose your trash and recyclables in appropriate containers. Always be responsible to protect our Mother Nature. Ayun na ulit. Pakapiglan tamalon. Hindi ko siya makita. Ayun, may deer doon. Ah, ayun! Ayun! Si Rudolph. Super green ang area as you can see on the video. Kaya super enjoy ang aming paglalakad. And we had a chance to check what are the plants and trees around the area.
So does it have a fruit?
It's black cherry. It's not the kind that you like harvest.
Tree.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's black cherry. As it dies off, it makes wonderful firewood. That is true. And this is an old cherry tree. They're dying off.
Why do they call them cherry trees?
Black
Is it the
cherry,
color?
they do bear some fruit. It's not
Like birds.
orchard.
It's not like a sweet cherry or a sour
The
cherry.
smooth bark with the leaves with the rigid. I think that's a elm. It's a kind of elm. And in fact, I
Nightmare on Elm Street.
yes.
I went to Elmwood before I went with that.
I'm not telling that story because I'm already losing my credibility in
Yeah.
storytelling. You're not believing me
Maple
anymore.
tree daw. Yes.
Ah, maple tree.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Picture this. That's my disclaimer. I could be wrong. It's a type of drum roll.
Dun, dun, dun,
American
dun.
beach. We're both on.
Beach. Son of a beach.
Okay.
Son of a beach.
I can accept you wrong as long as you are wrong too.
How do you get the maple
Norway
syrup?
maple.
Oh, very specific. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, the app.
The app is called Picture This.
Picture
And it's pretty good. It's cool. And it can detect by the bark also.
So Sean, how do you get the maple syrup?
How do I get the what?
How do they get the maple
The
syrup?
maples they're native to the area. I mean, maples are prolific. They grow all over the place.
Maple
And
syrup?
How do you
Squeeze.
How do you get the maple
Oh,
syrup?
maple syrup.
Yeah.
The syrup.
Is it from the bark?
They tap it. Yeah, they tap it into the meat of the tree, the wood of the tree, just beneath the bark. And actually, you can ask Eugenia. She did that. She grew up on a maple farm, so she's got some knowledge too. But yeah, and I think it takes like 10 trees to really harvest enough maple syrup to make it worth it, because I think the ratio is like 40 gallons of raw maple syrup to 1 gallon of what you serve on the table.
Wow. It's a maple tree.
And maple wood is also a very popular wood for furniture as well. Yeah.
Oh. Well, there's the hidden pan.
Makes a gallon of
I've always read 50 to 55.
A lot. There's a lot. So you need like multiple trees. We used to tap like all the trees in our property and you run lines between them. And then we run that down to like a giant drum that would collect it all. And then you run that down to like the sugar shack where you would boil it off. Basically all February, March, we sit out there. Boiling sap. When we were kids, we'd sit out there and we put like eggs in it, make like hard-boiled eggs or boil hot dogs in it.
Hot dogs come as sweet.
We always like to think it did. I don't know if it was more of a placebo effect, but yeah. Syrup was good up there, yeah. We'd get like, and then for Christmas every year we gave everybody a pint of
Galing din ah.
Parang ang haba na ng vlog ni Roan ah.
tree to tree. That's a maple farm.
Kaya nga yun. There's a deer.
Meron siyang halabas na ano, no? Sasquatch ba yun?
Or may buhayang lalabas dyan.
Lake that.
We made it to the hidden fun, so it's time for a photo shoot. So enjoy my pictures and of course our group pictures. By the way, thanks Michelle for my Buffalo Bills bag. With Kuya Sean and his minions. Ang liliit namin, oh.
And there's the documentation to back it up.
Oh. Let's see. Ito yung 300 to 400 years old na beech tree around the area. Ayan, super tagal na niya. Trail. We are going to the footprint trail. Hi. There it is. Covered of trees. Ang ganda siguro dito during autumn. Yung mga green leaves, makikita mo mag-change into orange. Ah, diba? Ang ganda. And our last stop is the Lily Pond. Malaki siya, yung nga lang kasi kakaunti yung mga lotus flowers. Siguro mas maganda siya during morning time para kitang-kita yung mga flowers. Kahit kids can actually walk around the Reinstein Woods Park. Maganda kasi yung trail and flat lang siya. And maraming mga areas for pictorial. Sana makabalik ako dito sa Reinstein Woods during autumn. I would really like to see those beautiful leaves na nag-change ng colors. And of course, after the walk, time to freshen up. Iba talaga dito sa Amerika. Pwede nang maging bahay. After our hiking, it's time to fill our tummy. Thanks, Sean, for the invite and for being our cook for
Like talking
today.
out of the air.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the quality engineer in me. But I've been trained in quality. Show me objective evidence.
Yeah, yes.
You know what I learned? My eldest brother is a chef.
Oh!
And it's a silly little detail of burgers and steaks. I was told that you should only have to flip them once.
Oh, wow.
So you cook it enough on one side, which means you really have to control the heat.
Yeah.
So by the time you flip it, it's going to be cooked to order. Like if somebody, even if somebody wants it medium, a little red inside,
Yeah.
well, that one time you time it and then ready to roll.
Oh, okay. Because I flip it several times.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And they still cook fine, but it was just interesting. And here's the muscle behind the kitchen.
Yes.
We are going to be on YouTube.
Oh, yes.
And it's a star.
Yes. Yes.
You should only have to flip it once.
Okay.
He
That's a
was
good
actually,
tip.
he was on an episode of Chop.
A chop.
Right, yeah, and he got eliminated the first round, but he was on. I looked it up the other day. I forgot. It was 2014, I think.
You're watching that, the one with the axe, with Ray. Chop or...
No, the cooking competition. My oldest, oh, that's right. You were not here when I mentioned that my oldest brother is a chef. Yeah, not a lumberjack. That's my cousin Fred.
with the axe. Throw it in the rope, in the tree. It's also a show like that. Hulikaan.
And it's dangerous.
Cousin Fred is the
I
lumberjack.
am thinking of the axe. Okay.
Here we go. That was the non. Okay, let's try this. Oh, I need practice. Turn the camera off and then let me put it on.
You did fine.
It's okay.
That's called true journalism. You're showing everything.
Yes.
We're gonna show everything. No edit.
Okay.
Come on, Sean.
See, it flipped 3 times.
I think it was jump.
That was a flip of sorts. These are looking good, though. I think cooking time, my brother would be proud.
Yeah. We'll be very happy siya nga eh.
It's funny. So my father, I grew up in the restaurant business, and my father had a restaurant, and that's one of the places my brother got to start. And like all of us growing up, we could party, you know, like crazy, but he was a strict boss. He ran a very strict kitchen, which is good.
Time for the
You know, this
cheese.
has to be done very precisely, and you asked for a lot of cheese.
Yes.
You are going to get a lot of cheese. This is going to ooze old and melt over.
Yeah, like like that.
These are mini slam burgers. Slam burgers are loaded with cheese. It started to melt. I was saying Rachel for the right job.
There you go. John's burger.
And roast pasta. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang group picture at ang chikahan. English nga lang kaya medyo nosebleed. Grabe ang laki ng lot area ng bahay ni Sean. Meron nga siyang sariling puno ng apples at grapes. O diba? Ang lakas makasosyal. Aside from that, meron din siyang mga tanim na vegetable. So, he has his own tomatoes. O, diba? Ang sarap ang salad. Meron ding lettuce. Meron din siyang mga chilies. And eggplant. Hindi lang dapat tayo ang nagwa-walk, kundi pati ang ating mga pets.
Okay, time to go back.
Time for a timeout.
Yeah. Bye, doggies. Bye, Max. Preparing for our bonfire. Wow.
She has grown his proof I actually can do physical labor.
Yes. Ang lakas mo, Sarge. Fit na fit.
Tawagin mo na sila rito.
Charan.
And it's time to light up the bonfire. O diba, hindi lang cook si Sean, kundi siya rin ang taga-start ng ating bonfire. Super masayang magkwentuhan habang nakaharap sa bonfire. Ayun, marami kaming napag-usapan, maraming learnings, and maraming mga new information about each other. O diba, ang saya. After how many years, nakapag-bonfire ulit kami dito sa bahay ni Sean. Thank you so much, Sean and Sue, for inviting us in your home. Hope to see you again.
Bonfire. Si Anna. Hip-hop. Yo. Si Jen, na busy.
We went home past 8 p.m. kasi nga super enjoy ang aming kwentuhan. And that's it for our part 4. Watch out for part 5. Thank you so much for watching, loves.